Philippines cooking. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisines. Cookbook recipes written by her loving daughter Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez. Let us cook laing with kanin. Leaves with coconut milk and rice sprinkled with cheese and some crushed red pepper. Delicious. This and more amazing Philippine food recipes are now in this amazing cookbook written by Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez. In this delightful cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisines. Cookbook recipes now available at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, and all bookstores worldwide in ebook, Kindle, and paperback format, and at Juanita Gutierrez Amazon Author Central page. Enjoy Philippines cuisine in this beautiful cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisines. Cookbook recipes written by her loving daughter Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez. Oh, this delicious laing, or tinuto in Tagalog language, with rice, brown rice, or kanin. Enjoy. Happy cooking. Happy dining. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisines. Cookbook recipes by Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez. Enjoy tinuto or laing with kanin or rice. Yum!